Hey guys, it's Donna, and as promised last week, I am making my special cranberry side dish that is just absolutely out of this world. It is so different from anything I've had with cranberries, and it is corn-free because I make my own marshmallow cream to put into it as a dressing, along with the daisy sour cream. Now what I've got cooking in here is one 12-ounce package of cranberries that have been sorted and washed, 1 cup pure cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and you could use cinnamon sticks if you'd prefer and then just remove them after it's done, and 1 cup of water. Now it has started boiling for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to put it on 8 minutes. Normally you put it on 10 minutes and let it boil, stirring occasionally as the cranberries pop. And I love it when they start popping. It's just a cool sound. So when this is done, because I have to put it aside to let it thicken, and then I will come back and we will put the side dish together. So I'll see you in a little while. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I've got this beautiful cranberry, almost like a cranberry jam in here, because cranberries do have their own natural pectin. I've let it cool down. Now I'm going to add this into my bowl, and I've got all my ingredients sitting out here ready to go in. It's just beautiful, and it smells so good with all that cinnamon. Now I'm going to add my drained pineapple. That's about 2 cups. It's 1 can. And I'm going to stir it in. And then to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut. And you can either use it or not. It depends on whether or not you like it. 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now that's 4 ingredients in this salad. And you can actually add grapes. You could put any kind of fruit you want in there, maybe mango or papaya or something else. Some people like bananas. I'm not a banana fan, so I wouldn't do that. But as you can see, look how pretty it's getting. Just getting beautiful. Now, to this, I am adding 1 cup of my daisy sour cream, which has no corn products in it. And then I'm going to put in, let me grab a spoon over here. I'm going to do 1 cup of my homemade marshmallow cream, which is corn-free. Now I'm going to do a little bit more of the marshmallow cream. So it's basically, looks like about 1.5 cups. And I'm going to add that in. Now believe it or not, when you leave this in the refrigerator to chill down, it gels up almost like a Jello salad, which you've seen those kind where they've put cottage cheese and fruit and whatever in them, and then put the Jello in and then put it in the refrigerator. This gels on its own because of the pectin in the cranberries, and you want to mix that really, really well. And then what it does, it makes the marshmallow cream blend in just like the sour cream. And the thing is, when you eat this, you can't even tell that it's sour cream. Now, if you don't want to use sour cream and you're into plain yogurt or Greek yogurts, we still want this to be corn-free, so you'd want to use a yogurt that does not have any corn products in it. I know most of them do. so it's a little tricky to find that. But the Daisy sour cream works perfectly. You can't taste it. And it's just a beautiful side dish. I remember growing up, they would always have cranberry sauce, which was so gross. And being allergic to oranges, the one I did like with the oranges and the cranberries, I couldn't eat it. Now, if you're not allergic to citrus, go ahead and put some orange pieces in here, or mandarin oranges. If you do have a citrus problem like I have with oranges, I can't use it in here. So I wouldn't add it. But you can add anything you want to this salad and make it taste what you want it to taste like. And it is so good, like I said. Now I've got that all mixed, so I'm going to put it in here. And I'll put it in the refrigerator for it to set completely up. And the thing is about this, you can make this dish 1 or 2 days before you're going to need it. And it'll set up perfect, and it keeps for quite a while. I know my husband absolutely, it's one of his favorite things when I make it. So I'm going to put that over there and set this down in here. And I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe that. Then I'm going to let you guys see how beautiful that salad is. So the recipe will be down in the description, as they always are. The name of this is Donna's Cranberry Delight. That is corn-free. And I hope you guys will try this. Please leave me a comment and let me know how yours came out. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And I hope you all take care of yourself and stay safe as that virus is kicking up again. And we'll talk to you guys soon.